Alright, hi guys, so we're going to take a video of our air conditioner today. It's off. Hi guys, so we're going to see our air conditioner today. It's got a Copeland Squirrel compressor. Straight coil unit, carrier. Sticker on the fan blade. Wonder what that says. RRN. It's an Energy Guide. 2019, it's a 2-ton. Yeah, it is a straight cool unit, I'm guessing. Yep. DMR is cold. It's a little bit cold. It's outer temperature. It's cold from the condensation, the last condensation. Alright, I guess out.